Boral's Australia's largest vertically integrated building construction materials supplier. Been around for almost 80 years. Boral Cement itself has 17 sites across Australia and delivers 4 million tonnes of cement to the market. We supply to infrastructure projects including bridges, roads, tunnels, as well as building and residential housing. Boral employs approximately 7,500 people, both employees and contractors, across 360 sites all over Australia.
Yeah, we receive 500,000 to 700,000 tonnes of raw materials by truck and train per annum, and we turn that material into bulk and bag cement, blended cements and other sand products.
Cement is the active ingredient in the manufacture of concrete. It's invaluable and significant to the building industry, and they're used by specialist contractors, general contractors, all tradespeople from bricklayers to plumbers to electricians, as well as for DIY applications.
Boral has the reputation for quality. It's an Australian heavyweight. I mean, in the industry, you think construction and building and you think Boral. When you have that reputation and it's established, you're the #1 product.
It's important that we retain our local manufacturing position in the employment of local community and continue to support the Australian workforce. It's product that is designed for the Australian building industry and to meet local, relevant Australian standards.
By having a product that's manufactured locally, you know you're getting a fit-for-purpose product every single time.
Things on site change from moment to moment, and being able to react to that quickly is an important part of our business. Having an Australian-made product that you know that you can access at the drop of a hat is part of our business, part of our service that we offer.
The Australian-made logo fills me with pride, and I know when a builder sees the logo on our products, they know that they're making a good choice. It means that they are receiving a product that they can rely on and that they can trust. The benefits of manufacturing locally are the ability to employ from our local communities and to also contribute back to the domestic economy in the manufacture of our products.
I think there's a lot of benefits from having a Boral site in the local community. Heaps of local jobs, probably downstream local jobs. I think it's important to everybody that there's a job here in Australia with an Australian company making an Australian product.
I've been working for Boral for 29 years, and I love the fact that the products that we manufacture are going into assets and buildings and infrastructure that are building Australia's future.